So this video is for the polar definition of conics. So we have two formulas that we work with. We have r equals EP over 1 plus or minus cosine of theta. That gives us a vertical directrix, or a horizontal directrix, which is r equals EP over 1 plus or minus sine of theta. E is actually going to tell us a lot about what our graph looks like. E equals C over A. In this case, we have an ellipse. So with ellipse, we know that E is going to be less than 1. With a parabola, we know that E is going to be equal to 1. And with a hyperbola, we know that E is going to be greater than 1. So we have a horizontal directrix over here and a vertical directrix here. So when we're looking at what that means on our graph, if we have a negative cosine in the denominator, we're going to have a vertical directrix where we have negative values of x. And then if we have a positive cosine, then we're going to have a vertical directrix where we have positive values of x. Right? So we're shifting our directrix in a horizontal fashion. So if it's negative, it's on the negative side. If it's positive, it's on the positive side. So now if we have a vertical, or not vertical, but horizontal directrix given by this equation up here, if we have a positive sine value, then we're going to have a horizontal directrix in the positive region of y. If we have a negative sine value, we're going to have a horizontal directrix in the negative value of y. One thing that's important to note is that your focus is always at the pole. So if your focus is at the pole and you're drawing a parabola and your directrix is here, then it's going to face this way. If your directrix is here and you're drawing a parabola, your focus is going to make it go the other way. So if you're drawing a parabola and you have a negative sine value, that means that your directrix is here, which means your parabola is going to face upward because you want to include your focus in your parabola. And the points along the parabola should be equidistant from the focus and from the directrix. Alright, that's about it.